Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, Jay's Jeep and Classic Car channel. Today we're going to put the brake line from the back axle up to the frame. So let's get started. Alright, so we got our brake line here. We're going to need a copper crush washer. That's kind of why I'm replacing these anyway. A, they were rusted, and B, I never had the crush washer, so that crush washer just ensures a good seal to it. You're going to need probably a 5/8 wrench and a 3/8 wrench. I'm using a flare nut wrench to kind of make sure that I don't round it off. So it's kind of dark and lonely under here, but you can see that's the old line that needs to come out. We're going to take this out. Oh, that one's not hand tight anymore. And yeah, we're going to take that out real quick and replace it. So here we go. Okay, so I kind of broke it loose, and we're just going to take that out. And spin that out. Okay, so this is the old one that came out. It actually had a washer on it. It was just kind of rusted, and if you look right somewhere in there, right there, has a little cut in it. And so I figured, hey, let's just go ahead and replace that out, and while I'm under there and not have problems. Not sure it would cause trouble. I'm going to use this as a backup, but you know, just in case there's trouble, just figured, hey, while I'm at it, while I'm bleeding everything the first time, let's just go ahead and get fresh lines on it. Alright, so if you notice, there's a male end and a female end. You want to start with the male end so that it's easier to spin in. If you start with the female end, you won't be able to get it in because it will twist up the line, because these don't independently spin on the hose themselves. So we're going to roll in here and to the dark place of our Jeep. So we're just going to put it in here. We got that crush washer in place, so we're going to just kind of spin it in place. I'm trying to hand hold this while I'm doing it, and I need two hands, so we're gonna have to take a cut. Okay, so we got started, and while I like wearing gloves, sometimes it just does not pay off. I had to shed the gloves here to kind of just to have the tactile feel to be able to get that thing started. So we turned that thing all hand tight as far as we could. Now we're going to put a 5/8 on it. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to film this or not. I'm going to try to do it one-handed. For you. Just so you can kind of see how it works. And it's a pretty tight fit up in here. Not getting a ton of turn per time. Alright, yeah, she's starting to tighten up now. Now, I don't want to bend that too much, which is kind of what I feel like I'm doing a little bit. So I got to be careful not to be too horsey on it. But I do want to get it to kind of crush in on that washer. And so here's a little helpful hint. you probably want to buy a couple extra of those crush washers just to have in your toolbox. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is just feed that up to the hole right there. And we're going to need to put a retainer on there, just to kind of hold it in place. And then we're going to try to have to line all that up and give it a spin. Alright, so we got it kind of started there. And off camera. Now we're just going to put this kind of brake hose retention in. And this is kind of our last one that we have to put in. And we're just going to give that a little love pat. Alright, so now we're going to tighten that up. Alright, so we got our 5/8. We're going to put that back here. Maybe. That's the idea, at least. Alright, we got it. And our 3/8 we're going to put right here. We got the fans running because the mosquitoes carry you off. It's freaking October and the mosquitoes are still out. Ah, there we go. She's tightening up now. Alright, that's good and tight. We're going to go ahead and take that fitting retainer, put her on home. Let's square that up a little bit, make her look pretty, and there we go. There she is. She's all in. And that was kind of dark in here, guys. I apologize. Hopefully you can see that. And so that's how you put it in. Hope that helps. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and the like button, because it's about time for supper, y'all. Y'all take care now.